As you can see, a new game Binance Moonbix has been released, and on YouTube you can already find a bunch of videos about this project. As bloggers say, this project was launched by the largest crypto exchange Binance. And how much we can earn here? Or this is a scam. So to earn coins you need to click play game. And here in 45 seconds we need to collect as much gold as possible. I can already tell you that this game is very boring and you can play it every 9 minutes. This is about 110 times every day. And if the project works for half a year, you will go crazy doing the same thing every day 110 times. It's unlikely that Binance is so stupid. Let's move on and see that for subscribing to Telegram channels you will receive 500 coins. I immediately have a question. Why there are unknown channels in Telegram? And where is the official link to the Binance YouTube channel or Twitter? Okay, next we can bind our Binance account and get 10,000 coins. Sounds suspicious, but let's try because they will give us so many coins. After I clicked on this bottom, my Binance account was immediately linked without any question. And when I wanted to cancel the action, they asked me for a password. That's when I started to think that this is a scam project. Just kidding. I realized it right away. Next we can download the Binance by clicking on this link. But for some reason the Play Store didn't open for me, or it didn't say that Binance has already been downloaded. A page with my personal information opened and a message appeared that we couldn't upgrade your verification. Probably this was an accident and I tried to download the application on my computer. But as you can see, the link already has a referral invitation. Should Binance invite a user to his platform with a referral link? It even sounds stupid. Of course, after searching all the official Binance sources, I didn't find any mention of the game Binance Moonbix. In short, this application becomes more and more popular because they pay money to bloggers so that you enter the game, and the game will earn more money from you. By the way, Hamster Combat and many other free miners work exactly according to the same scheme. But Moonbix is a complete scam because it pretends to be a game from Binance platform. So if you want to enter free mining game, I recommend you Hot Wallet from Near Protocol. I talk about it in this video. Also subscribe to the channel to not lose new projects at the beginning.